Hi, there is a question raised by a HR professional E-class Afla. So she want to know that what is the criteria to claim the trainee allowance. Okay, so it's about claiming the trainee allowance. So we have a very helpful HR professional called Rachel. So they says that it is allowed to claim a daily allowance of 150 or 400. So what does that mean? Claim a daily allowance of 150. So uh, in there is a document that is called the hrdcorp allowable cost matrix. So this itself is very handy. So just look at that on page 7, or maybe somewhere. Okay, you read this carefully, or maybe just go for. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Okay. Okay. Anyway, I screenshot this here over here. So one of the part is called the third, right? So item number 3. So this is over here. 1, 2, 3. Aha, here. So this is one, right? This is the one. So now it says that uh, there's no training allowance for trainees or internal trainer who are based on the organizing employers premise. So if, for example, this coming Wednesday, I do a training at Bangi at their HQ. So it's Bangi. So and then so the training will not be given allowance because they did in-house, right, at in their premise. So exception is that if the trainees travel from branches, so yeah, the HQ is in Bangi. So if they have other staff from another state, okay, and they travel to the HQ, then yes, they can claim the training allowance. So this is where the just now you mentioned, right? If it's for the in-house training, so 20 people or 25 people gather together to learn Excel, for example, then and they are travel from other branches, then yes, each trainee can get 100 km for say 150. So if it's within 100 km, so if it's like travel from Pahang to Bangi, then I think that's more than that. So when there's more than that, what happens is that you can more than 100 km. So then you can get a maximum of 400. That is including the hotel. If they choose to stay somewhere nearby the Bangi. So that is what it means. Okay. So I also capture here so you can see here. So now, for example, here I did a training at Subang and at their premises. So just a quiz, right? So these 5 persons are work in the same building. So do they get 150 daily allowance? They work in the premise, get Subang, right in their company. So the answer is no. They don't get any of this allowance because of this clause here. Okay, so no training. Yeah. So and another example is that if they go out to do a training, I mean, yeah, they travel to another state by airplane. Okay, so let's say the headshot analysis using Power BI that I conducted on 12th September, there are participants travel from Sarawak to KL. So yes, of course using air ticket, right, aeroplane. So what is the cost? What is in this case what can be claimed? So here is the thing. So definitely more than 100 km. So each of the participant from the Sarawak company by travel to HQ will eligible for a 400 per pax. On top of that, they can also claim air ticket by using AirAsia or Mars or another airlines, right? So they can claim it. Okay, so for as for these, you need supporting documents. As for the earlier example just now, you don't need the supporting documents. So yeah, so it depends whether you want to claim or this allowance for your trainee, right? And the amount is you first paid to your employee, the trainee. Say for example here 150. You paid to the employee first, then after that you can claim back from the HRD Corp. And HRD Corp will actually directly bank in the claim to the employer account as registered in the E3 system. So I hope that this will clear the exam, your doubt here. Okay, so yes, just like what Raymond says, right? There is a claim and cost matrix, and that claim and cost matrix, you can just simply Google it and look for HRD Corp allowable cost matrix. Or I also put a link in this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Now, in the very near future, in fact, some training providers already do that. Is that it is no longer enough that uh, we do a training and then without a follow up. So in fact, the micro credential already explained that yes, you can do a training face to face, and there should be some follow up activities. So be it a self learning video for revision purpose. So that is why that I am recording all my course into a e-latte premium course. For example, my Excel training. So those who attend my Excel intermediate level training, not only that they get a face-to-face training, but after the training, right, they will able to learn again or review what they learn through my Microsoft Excel intermediate level this online course. So it's a revision. It's a very powerful tool for your staff. So can they refer it again and again. So I have lesson one, lesson two, lesson three, lesson four, lesson five, and so on. And if you choose not to go for the power face to face, you want to benefit more staff, right? So you can register a e-latte premium course. So for every how do you claim, right? Is that for 1 hour or 60 minutes, and you can actually claim 70 ringgit. Okay, and for 2 hours you can claim for 140 from the what do you call that, from HRD Corp. So and so on. So the maximum is 7 hours. Yeah. The 700 cost will cost a person 700 ringgit. So that is another. So where do I get this cost matrix, right? I didn't create it. It's also from a HRD Corp allowable cost matrix. So we can go all the way to the very end here. There you are, online trading e-learning. Okay. Okay, that's it. So you can find out my e-learning course by going to the HRD Corp. So I guess you find e-latte. Okay, e-latte HRD Corp, and just search here Power BI, and this is just one of my courses here. Yeah. So just I say, right, this 70. So you can benefit to every of the employees, right? Just by spending this, and it's one-time payment, access for as long as you want, right? Yeah, it is hosted by Elate, hrdcorp. Thanks for watching. I hope that really explained to you what can claim right as an in-house for the trainee allowance.